Got the army truck out here trying to save people. It's a Husky truck too. These houses is gate deep. Cut doors and doorknobs. The wind picked up again. The flood got even higher. It was like around 7 something. Me and my dad thought it was over because it wasn't windy, it wasn't raining, and the water was calm. Not bad. But we thought it was receding, but it was actually flooding more. Like the high tide was coming in, we thought it was just leaving. Guess we spoke too soon. Our whole porch is covered, but the front door is still pretty good, so no water's getting through. That big pine tree up there is leaning back. That thing's about to go soon. See the branches in the back part broke off already. Branches on this tree is, can't really see it, broke off. There's people, the way the truck is facing, there's people down there screaming for help, and they had like a couple of this army people hop out and go down here to get them. That's the number everybody's posted on Instagram, so call them if you need help to check out the city. And luckily they did come. We've been holding it down all day. It's crazy. I never saw this in real life. I always seen it on extreme floods and all that. I never thought that would actually happen around here. I mean, it's not that bad for us because none got damaged. I mean, we lost power. We still got our lights and stuff. It's just upstairs, certain sockets not working. Like I can't charge my phone or play my game upstairs, but everything works downstairs. But the light in the room works. That's about it. We saw like pieces of a fence floating down the street. It was like a kids' play table, floating bags of trash, everything. Just floating down the street. They already got people back there in a truck. I wonder where they're taking them. They can take them to see, look, see they're carrying somebody. There's some lady and they got the guy walking. It's probably packed and they're all funky. I wonder if that is that everybody. They should turn down this street. Actually, they shouldn't, because the wave is going to cause will actually probably get through the door. Downstairs bathroom, the toilet is overflowing because of the water outside, so we can't use the bathroom. The sink is in the kitchen is clogged, so we can't do nothing with that. See how high this water is. I don't know where it's all this. It's like this like all the way down by the walk is flooded, all the way down by to Venice Park. Venice Park, well, everything over the second bridge is gone. It has to be, because that's surrounded by water. Back Maryland, uptown, that should be flooded out just as bad as West Side is. The walk is even flooded. That's over there by the expressway and stuff. But we We saw Errol Tyson at the bridge, so let's go. Somebody else right there carrying a bag of something, probably clothes and valuables. Videos get long. I'm gonna stop and start recording the second one. And that's like a part 2.